This is a story of minds that crossed oceans and reshaped America. The science we rely on, the technologies that define modern life, none of it happened by accident. Behind it is a story few people know.
There are certain Hungarian attitudes that were very helpful. If people do one thing, you have to do something different. Never go with the crowd. I never did science that most people did.
They fled war, persecution, and uncertainty, and arrived in America carrying something unstoppable: brilliance. Hungarian-American scientists helped spark some of the greatest breakthroughs of the modern age. In laboratories and classrooms, they transformed physics, mathematics, and chemistry, ideas that powered generations of discovery. They had a different way of thinking, and their intellect seemed almost otherworldly. They spoke with heavy accents, and colleagues jokingly called them the Martians. Leo Szilard conceived the nuclear chain reaction and helped lead the Manhattan Project. He eventually became a committed pacifist, insisting that atomic weapons serve solely to deter war. Others decoded the universe itself, like Eugene Wigner, a physicist who cracked the symmetry patterns of the universe, turning them into the blueprint behind nuclear reactors and high-tech materials shaping our modern world. Edward Teller, often called the father of the hydrogen bomb, ushered in a new era of global power and military dominance, and co-founded the Lawrence Livermore National Lab. And then there were minds so far ahead of their time, they built the future before anyone knew it was coming, like John von Neumann, who reshaped strategy through game theory and designed the logical architecture behind every modern computer. Others looked to the sky. Theodor von Karman made supersonic flight possible and co-founded NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, helping turn space travel from imagination into reality. In just one generation, Hungarian-Americans helped ignite the nuclear age, invent digital computing, and open the path to space. Their impact didn't stop at world-changing theory. Hungarian-American ingenuity also brought us the first solar-heated house, thanks to Maria Telkes, also known as the Sun Queen, a pioneering female scientist inspiring renewable energy. Peter Carl Goldmark gave us the LP record and color television, revolutionizing entertainment for generations. And the Martians kept coming. After World War II, and again after the Hungarian Revolution of 1956, more Hungarians fled war and communism for the United States. Once again, they brought ideas that changed everything. In the field of mathematics, Hungarian-Americans again stand out, prompting the tagline, "If it's math, it must be Hungarian." Paul Erdős lived for problems, publishing over 1,500 papers and shaping graph theory, the mathematics behind the internet, networks, and cryptography. Paul Halmos explored abstract ideas that now power quantum mechanics, the science behind MRI scans, semiconductors, and emerging quantum computers. Others searched for life in the most unlikely places. Imre Friedman discovered microbes living deep inside Antarctic rocks, proving life can survive extreme conditions and guiding the search for life on Mars. Some focused on survival beyond Earth. Lajos Jókai Ihás invented freeze-drying for astronauts and helped discover the artificial sweetener aspartame. George Springer transformed composite materials, making them stronger and lighter, from NASA space shuttles to sailboats to golf clubs. George Olah unlocked the secrets of carbocations, enabling cleaner fuels and better medicines. And Charles W. Tobias helped found modern electrochemical engineering, paving the way for today's lithium-ion batteries.
Én vagyok a Crazy Hungarian, az őrült magyar. Rögtön az elején megmondom, valamilyen formában, nem az, hogy hi, I'm George Springer, I'm Hungarian. bemondom, hogy elnézést kérek az akcentusomért, de hát én magyar vagyok.
From game theory to the atom bomb. From vinyl records to solar panels. Whenever history needed a breakthrough, it seemed to follow the Hungarian accent. This wasn't just genius. It was the courage to think differently. Next, we'll see how the same mindset transformed medicine and saved lives.